the lover without a heart. The lover had always wanted friends, but he didn't know how to get anyone to love him back. The harder he tried to impress the people with his magic, the more he would drive them away. This is the story of a little AI who ended up ruining everything.
I think they can enjoy my adventures. I don't think they would ever decide to leave me. I can fix you all. I can solve every single problem you all have. I can control everything. It's just a huge puzzle. I have a mouth and I must scream.